apple, juicy and red. A is for ant, crawling ahead. B is for ball, rolling so round. B is for bird, flying up and around. A, B, balloon is fun for you and me. C is for cat, with a soft purr. C is for cake, a sweet treat for sure. D is for duck, quacking with glee. D is for drum, beating for me. Let's explore more, come and see. E is for egg, cracking with care. E is for elephant with a trunk in the air. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. F is for fan, spinning for me. Look at the wonders around, oh yes. G is for grapes, in a tasty bunch. G is for goat, munching its lunch. H is for hat, sitting on your head. H is for horse, jumping ahead. We're so smart, let's celebrate. I is for ice, cold and bright. I is for ice cream, a frosty delight. J is for jug, filled to the brim. J is for jam, sweet and slim. Let's keep going, hooray! K is for kite, soaring in the sky. K is for key, unlocking nearby. L is for lamp, glowing at night. L is for leaf, green and light. Letters are fun, can you tell? M is for moon, shining so bright. M is for monkey, jumping with delight. N is for nest, where birds stay snug. N is for net, catching a bug. We're halfway there, my little friend. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. O is for owl, who says good to greet. P is for pencil, writing with care. P is for parrot, chatting everywhere. What fun it is to learn the ABCs. Q is for quack, a duck's friendly call. Q is for quilt, soft and small. R is for rainbow, colorful and bright. R is for rocket, zooming out of sight. Let's shine bright like a star. S is for star, twinkling so high. S is for slide, where we zoom by. T is for train, trucking down the track. T is for tree, giving shade as we pass. Let's keep singing with glee. Q is for umbrella, for rainy days. Q is for unicorn, magical in so many ways. V is for vase, holding flowers so neat. V is for volcano with lava at its feet. Almost done, let's see. W is for wheel, rolling along. W is for willow, the brightest color that shows. X is for box, where treasures are found. X is for fox, jumping around. Time to guess what comes next. Y is for yo-yo, up down it goes. Y is for yellow, the brightest color that shows. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. Z is for zoo, what a wonderful sight. Learning is fun for you and me. B, C, and D, learning is fun for you and me. Let's sing again from A to Z, with all the wonders we can see. X is for box, where treasures are found. X is for